together. So we know V0. Oh yeah, we do have a hidden. We know that VF is 0, yes?
Yeah.
Because it stops and rolls back down. So we have V0, VF, A, and we're looking for X. So tell me from your equation sheet, what equation do I use?
That was what
Here, just use it.
We have V, A, and X.
V, VF, V0, A, and X. What equation do I use?
We can use X equals X0 plus V0 times T.
Oh, really?
Oh, wait,
do we
are
have
we
T?
looking for T?
No,
What
not
are we
yet.
looking for?
We're looking for X.
X.
So it doesn't even really matter what we're looking for. What matters is the variables. X, V0, VF, and A. What equation has those four variables?
VF squared equals V0 squared plus 2AX.
Bingo. Okay, so we have this equation. VF squared equals V0 squared plus 2AX. We're looking for X, so I solve it for that. VF squared minus V0 squared all over 2A. VF squared is 0, so that's going to give us negative 100 over negative 4. So that's going to give me 25 meters. See it?
Yeah.
That's how we do that. Now, let's do the next one. Again, I say, here's T, A, V0, and VF. Now, what equation do I use? Look on your formula sheet.
Use V equals V0 plus 18.
There you go. See how we're doing this? So then I just say T is equal to VF minus V0 over A. VF again is 0. V0 was was 10, so that's negative 10 over A, which is negative 2. So I get 5 seconds. So it takes 5 seconds for it to roll all the way up and stop. How are we doing?
I'm doing fine.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
just, sometimes the problem is hard to understand.
Yeah. So the best thing you can do is just picture it. So do you picture this thing going up, stopping and rolling back down? So you see it in your mind. Literally, close your eyes and see it. That's super important.
Okay, so in C and D,
Right.
when it
So
comes
then,
back down,
right, if this is 25 meters, right, then does it make sense to you that, like for example, from your bedroom door to I don't know, your mailbox in the front yard. I'm assuming you go out your front door to check the mail. Okay. How many times do you pass your front door?
twice.
See it?
No, but
So-
I'm asking when V final is 0, right?
Yeah.
So then when you go up and when you come down,
hmm
you stop there, so that's 0 there. But
yes.
when you're coming back down, wouldn't that also be V final? Or
Well, V final could be any time. Like
As
it's
long as
now.
you, like,
No, it's now. No, it's now.
specify?
It's now. It's like whenever.
so like for A and B, is specifying when it goes up, so V final
Yeah.
has to be 0.
It's 0. Yes, because it says the max. It like rolls up, stops, and comes back. So it's like how far does it go? What's the maximum? That maximum is when V final is 0.
So if it's asking like the entire thing, like where you go up and back down, the final would it be 0?
If you start and stop in the same place, then it depends. Like when this thing comes right back down to where it started, if you shoot a gun up in the air, do you want to be underneath the bullet when it comes back?
No,
Why not?
because it comes back fast.
Yeah, because what goes up comes down. So if this goes up at 10, what's it going to come back to? When this ball gets right here, how fast is it going?
10?
Exactly.
Really?
Yes.
So if I shoot a bullet, it'll come that fast
And it
down?
will kill you. Yes.
So is that why Sharon, like in the later problems, she got, when it's going up, she got negative 8?
Yeah, because
and
it's
then
the
she came
same
back,
10, but it's coming backwards.
and then it's positive
Right.
8 and then negative 8 because
And
it
so
comes back
then-
at
yeah.
the same speed.
Exactly. And
So
so
it's-
then for me.
So because it's not free fall, gravity has no effect on it, like
No, it,
acceleration.
gravity does Oh, you mean for this problem?
Yeah.
Why do you think it has this -2? It's
coming
because
down.
of gravity.
Oh.
So this is actually what gravity is doing to this.
Okay.
Okay. So if we wanted, I'm doing this so I can record it. If we say, how, like, what is the time? Oh, this is supposed to say seconds. That's supposed to be meters. What is the time to get to 9 meters? Okay. Well, I want time. Now I know my distance. My distance is 9 meters. My acceleration is still -2 meters per second squared. Right? My initial velocity is still 10 meters per second. X, V0, A, and I want T. So I use X equals V0 T plus 1/2 A T squared. I use this equation, plug everything in, I get 9 equals 10T minus T squared. And then I can factor that into 1 and 9. Those are the 2 times. So when you throw the ball up the hill, in 1 second, it passes 9 meters, all the way up, and it comes all the way back down, and in 9 seconds, it passes 9 meters again. So it goes up, and it comes back, and it passes it twice. Now, since I know these times, what I'll do this in green, right in the middle here, I want V final, I know, right, I want V final, I know V0, I know A, and now I know T. So I'm just going to use V final equals V0 plus AT. And so if I plug that in, right, at these 2 points, do you see what I get? V0 is 10 minus 1 times T. So I'm going to get 9 meters per second at 1.
Final was
Wait.
Because it took 1 second to get to the first one. It's 10 plus -2. Whoops, that's supposed to be 8. Sorry. Because it was 2. Sorry. And then once it's 9 seconds, it's 10 minus 18, which gives me -8. That's why you get those 2. But it's the same speed, but it's in a different direction. Okay, I will stop that and I'll post it so you can have